Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix AliExpress order unsuccessful problem. If you're getting the order unsuccessful error on AliExpress, here's how to fix it. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the app. Go to your App Store or Play Store, search for AliExpress, and update if needed. The app updates frequently, so staying current is important. Next, check your phone's internet connection and make sure it's stable. Also, update your device software if necessary, since outdated systems can sometimes cause bugs. After that, go to your phone settings and check your date and time. Set it to the correct time zone and enable set automatically. Then, if you're using a VPN, disable it, as it might interfere with how the app connects to the server. Once it's done, open the AliExpress app, tap the account icon in the bottom right, and go to the settings icon at the top corner. Scroll down, sign out of your account, and then sign back in with the same credentials. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.